Oh my God. Hi everyone, welcome to Mina's Day Vlogs. I did not do anything in the yard today, although earlier it was not raining hard like this. I don't know where this strong wind, this heavy rain came from. Just suddenly we get this weather. Um, I never expect, so I cannot do anything outside today except for later, of course, I will be cooking dinner. Oh wow, let's go inside. Look at this dark cloud, guys. The rain just stopped, so I'm here at the backyard. Actually, I don't know what to prepare for lunch now, guys. Because last night I planned to do plenty things in the yard, and then this rain came, so I screwed up. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to cook for lunch now, but then I think I want some soup since it's raining like this. So eyeing for the malunggay. I think I will get few leaves of the malunggay, and I will put that in my Simon. I don't know what hubby wants for lunch. Maybe he will make some sandwich. It's even hard to look for good leaves of the moringa since it was windy. Expect if windy, the leaves not really that good. Anyway, I just need a few. Oops, it's wet. Where else? Something that I can easily reach. Is it drizzling or the water come from the malunggay? Oh, this one. I just need a few. Oh my God, I'm wet. Oh, oh my God, I'm wet with this. Sus. Okay, I think I get enough for my Simon. Malunggay. What else? Oh, this is good. Oh, this one. I think this is basil, guys. So I will just get around 4 leaves like this, and it will give flavor to my Simon. Smells good. I get my lunch. Let me go prepare and then cook. Windy. Right now, I'm boiling water. My favorite Simon. It's a Japanese style noodles with soup base, oriental flavor. Inside, get the noodles and the seasonings. Let me just break in smaller pieces. Wow. I'm looking at the expiration of the assignment. Soon. It's good that I remember this one. Ah, almost. I have a few days left. No more, just that. So next time we go groceries, I can buy new one. If they get stocks, because how many times already that they don't have this flavor. Hopefully they will not phase out this one. Yeah, oriental flavor. Okay, I can see it's hot, so add the noodles. Add the seasonings. It's like this is shoyu and oil. Smells good. So this is no longer a Japanese style noodle soup because I am adding some Filipino touch in it. Malunggay. Then add the malunggay leaves or moringa. The best vegetables. Not to forget the basil. There you go. In few minutes, lunch will be ready. Oh, I smell the basil. Smells so good. Ayan, mainit-init. Still hot. I like the malunggay. Let's eat together with the coconut ube sweet rolls. How is it? And we toast this in the air fryer. Wow. Let's see. First time. Smells coconut. Good. Wow. That's good. I miss the malunggay and basil. Oops, coming, Amazon. Thank you, thank you. Thank you. Nice packaging. What's inside the envelope? Ooh, look nice. It's a shear for gardening. We will use this in tipping and pruning especially the dragon fruit plant and the rest of the vegetables. This is how it look. Eto siya guys. Simple unboxing. Very, very quick. Preparing dinner guys. And what about you in there? Ano ang ihinahanda natin na panghapunan? So this is my first, not actually a dish. It is a side dish and I will surprise hubby because he only know that I will make a beef patty. But aside from that, this is the perfect partner and it's his favorite. So in my wok, I have water, a pinch of salt, and a little bit of oil. So I will cook macaroni, elbow macaroni. I am making his favorite mac potato salad. If I make like this, he will not eat a lot of rice anymore because this is the substitute for it. Pag ang asawa mo guys ay hindi Filipino, expect na hindi masyadong kumakain ng rice. Now checking the macaroni, it should be al dente. I think it's good now. Perfect. Strain and run cold water. Now I'm ready for the side dish. So I have here my mixing bowl. I drain the elbow macaroni. So let me put in here. Okay, so this is the elbow macaroni. And I boiled one piece of potato. So for the potato, cut in small cubes. Add the potatoes in the mixing bowl. Oh, this is a lot now. Next, I have here onion, but I will be needing the half only. And then the half set aside for my beef patty later. For the onion, mince. Hiwain natin ng pinong-pino. So, add the onion. Likewise, I will be needing a small carrot. Look at this, very cute. Next, add mayonnaise. Oops. Then mix. I have in here just a little bit white granulated sugar. Then some salt. Hubby wants a lot of ground pepper. I will put like this and then when he eats, he will just add again. So this is my simple potato mac salad, guys. Okay, so I will chill this and next one will be the beef patty. Next, guys, time to make the main dish, which is burger patty. So I have here the ground beef. First, I will be needing minced onion. So I will be using the leftover from the potato mac salad. I have in here, oops, that's a bigger piece. So I will prepare mince again. Let me add the onion. Oh, I want plenty, so put everything. This is all-purpose flour. I will add dried oregano, garlic salt, and a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. I will be needing raw egg. Now, time to mix. Mix all together. I see outside it's getting dark again. Wow, rain is coming. Time to go and fry. I wash my hand because I'm not comfortable using the gloves in making balls. So let's start. I have here my measuring spoon or cup, but then let's see if I can make something like uniform in size. If not, it's okay, guys. It's for just us anyway. So just make a ball in shape so that it's easier for me to flatten. Okay, let's try. Oops, it's raining. Let me try one first so I know if I put enough egg to bind the patty. Actually, I used three. I added one more earlier for the egg because I can see it's dry. So let's see this one first. Test muna tayo. I think it's good. Oh, it smells good. Raining hard, guys. I wanna show outside. Let's take a look. It's raining hard. Oh, look at that. We also get strong wind. Oh my God. But look at the vegetables. Our plants are happy. Going back into the patty, guys. But at least I did not put in high heat. So, oh, I think it's good. Oops. Perfect. It's brownish. This is what I like. Oh, look at that. If I press like this, I can see the juice coming out. Nice try. So after this, maybe I can make 5 or 3, 4. Let's see. Okay, one down. We have this on and off rain, but oh, it's very humid. I know the weatherman said last night, today and tomorrow, weather will be like this, on and off rain, but expect it will be very humid. That's why, guys, oh, I'm really sweating. That's it. I'm done. See you again, guys, later. Look, I get this much. Oh, so I'll just cover the patty in here. No longer hot. So you will be okay. Oh, see, the light is blinking. Finally, I'm done. Let me look outside. Oh, there. The lightning. Let me close in here. Just a little bit. Hopefully, we get power when it's time for dinner. I'm really not used to close doors and windows, but I think I need to close everything. The rain is here. Ooh. For sure, this empty pond in here, it will be half full later. Oh my God. Just looking around, guys. Oh, look at this. It's Hawaii weather. Maybe. Ay. The lightning, my God. Let's eat. Then the gravy. With the mashed potato salad. Flash flood warning. Turn around, don't drown. Counties or areas affected: Honolulu,